A vision of quiet elegance, this modern minimalist Scandinavian stone house is a sanctuary of balance and beauty. It stands as a testament to the art of simplicity, where every element, from the rugged stone walls to the soft wood accents, has purpose and grace. This is architecture that invites calmness and clarity, creating a space where form and function flow effortlessly together. Natural light becomes an artist here, shifting with the hours and seasons. Soft morning rays illuminate smooth surfaces, while golden evenings bathe the stone in warmth. Shadows play across the walls, offering a dynamic rhythm to the stillness, a living connection between the house and its surroundings. Every corner speaks of intentionality. The choice of materials, textures, and finishes creates a tactile story, a dialogue between the enduring strength of stone and the delicate touch of handcrafted details. Neutral tones are elevated by the richness of natural fibers and subtle patterns, giving depth to the minimalist aesthetic. Movement within the house feels seamless, a gentle flow guided by thoughtful design. The air feels light, the space is open yet inviting, welcoming you with a sense of ease. The transitions between rooms are softened by an interplay of light and shadow, creating an atmosphere that feels timeless, grounded, and alive. Outside, the home embraces the landscape, framing views of the natural world with precision and care. The connection between indoors and outdoors is more than a design choice. It is a philosophy, a way of living that celebrates the beauty of simplicity and the quiet power of nature. This is not just a house, it is a retreat, a place to reflect, to find peace, and to experience the elegance of thoughtful design. Here, life unfolds with harmony, shaped by the art of minimalism and the soul of Scandinavian warmth. Our AI voice generator is your one-stop solution for creating any type of voiceover audio.